Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 21st, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. I need to do this after the binary. And the last one, the killer Sudoku. Yes, three puzzles are left, but the first puzzle, but the puzzle I will continue will be the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4442. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Here we have 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. I know, same story between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. Then I think we need to compare now. But do we compare the columns or the rows? Well, Well, I'm thinking. Not the same. This column I cannot compare. How about this column I cannot compare, so we need to compare the rows. 0110. No, this one. 100. We have 100 here. No. 100. Come on. It's taking too long. Yeah. 101. Well, this row and the row below 1100110011 empty box. Empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.